One man with courage makes a majority. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. One secret of success in life is for a man to be ready for his opportunity when it comes. A man who has committed a mistake and doesn't correct it is committing another mistake. A successful man is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks others have thrown at him. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. You cannot dream yourself into a character. You must hammer and forge yourself one. Sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. Associate with men of good quality. If you esteem your own reputation, for it is better to be alone than in bad company. Experience is that marvelous thing that enables you to recognize a mistake when you make it again. When you arise in the morning, think of what precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love.